having fun, Adam. We're not having fun. Jeez.
Wait, move the handle.
It doesn't do anything. This is not
Not driving.
Hold it.
Nope, you gotta hold it.
Good catch. Alright, I think I got it. I'll do this and I'll get hurt.
You probably break it.
That's what I feel like I'm doing right now.
Sounds like it.
I'm like grinding. How long is this ride?
An hour.
Oh, wait.
And then it starts up again.
Oh.
Now stand next to it, Adam.
Careful.
I conquered the damn thing.